night 3. We are going to Joann Fabrics to get a black bedazzled fabric. It needs to be bedazzled, you know, like magician bedazzled, sparkly. I don't know why, it just has to. Has to be sassy. We went to the wrong plaza. Now we are squealing wheels. Are they staring?
It started right here. It's actually really big. Probably like at least 1,000
It's a nice
feet.
curve.
If not, I'm gonna do it.
Oh. Oh, that's a curb. Don't turn into the curb. Well, Joann's is Joann Fabric. Michael's is Michael's. That could mean anything. Who knows? Ugh. Free rep. Free rep. Bedazzle, bedazzle, bedazzle. Bedazzle, 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 bedazzle. 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 That's not as bedazzled as the other one.
It's not that enough.
I can see light through it. Yes. Look how bedazzled it is. Oh, it's like, damn it. It's bedazzled. Oh, that's really thin. How about we get one thick and then one bedazzled thin, and then we sew it. You're looking up a girl's skirt, aren't you? Oh, look at this. It's just extremely. We could have cow. This is so colorful. Reverse. Look how big this place is. I have a question. We're looking for a fabric.
Okay.
It needs to be thick enough for light to not get through.
For like, we have blackout fabric.
Is there like a specific blackout?
Yeah, it's black. You put it behind like your drapes and blacks it out. It's gonna actually be in the back corner on the back wall.
Okay, thank you. Bird to word. I should animate a bird coming out of that. It's only right here.
Let's go the other way because I spin.
QT Circus. We just spent like an hour in that room. Turns out room. We spent like an hour in that store. Oh my god. And I'm mad, that's why. And it was like $34. It said $7.99 on the side. So we didn't get it. We wasted like an hour of our lives in that room store. Building. What? You gonna hit
I see it now. Alright. Don't use first.
We're borrowing a friend's truck here. Pretty nice, yeah?
It's really. Oh, look at that. It's glowy.
We told them we would only hit 5 things. Riding in my ship, getting high in my ship. I don't get high though, but it's a song. Look at that beard, brah. He's a canned beard. How's work?
Birds? Yeah, I'm watching birds. I'm recording this, right? Kinda. No. It's really dark.
Yeah, we're in the truck.
Yeah, we're in a truck and it's dark out. Hello.
I'm in a truck and truck out.
Yo.
Go.
It's probably because my phone is loud.
What you guys doing?
We are picking up a snake tank.
Snake tank?
Yeah, it's like a
Snake cage.
What are you gonna name it?
yeah snake cage. Does that make sense?
It's really bright.
Yeah, that's a really bright light. I mean, I can't see. It hurts.
I'm gonna go back to Snap.
Okay, it's nice seeing you. Oh my god, I've been recording this whole time. We are about to pick up a tank from some dude on Craigslist. 25% battery. I have
Recording for an hour.
I have rice and peas in my crotch. UFO! UFO! I caught him! We caught the aliens! This is going on X-Files and InfoWars and all of it! UFO! Another UFO. Another. There's so many. Conspiracies. Disclosures are coming out, guys. This is so not my comedy channel either. Look, look. It's coming out of the sky. Look. I know.
Must be some spotlights that they're just turned on and they're moving.
No, it's the moon.
The moon.
It's the moon.
Earlier now.
All right, now we need to carry these in there, then down the stairs, and then in. And I have this really cool idea of how to film it. Well, now I'll be distracted looking at myself. All right, that side's. This side's heavier.
Lift.
Oh, dang. That's what I was worried about. Dang, I don't want it right there. I don't want to go too low.
Okay. Can I go that way?
Alright. Oh, my knee. Okay.
Okay. I'll go backwards.
My hands are cold. This is how you stay in shape. Alright, now drop it. Totally kidding. Oh god. My hand hurts. Oh. Wait. I didn't think this through.
No, just come down here.
My lower back is a computer back. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I'd rather you have that side. Thank you. Oop. It felt so awkward, I went risk it. We should have got the stand.
Yeah, I meant to actually. Now we're gonna have to pick it up. So heavy.
Out, wrong side. Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh. That was weird to hold. Look how red my hands are. Hi. I'm strong, but when you hold things awkwardly like that, it's really hard to. It's really hard to carry things when the weight's off. And my lower back is apparently not strong enough. Now I know I need to condition my lower back. Yeah, it is really big, isn't it? It takes up like half the room. This room actually used to be my room. I used to live here. I probably shouldn't show his room, that's not nice. But this is where I lived for a while. pretty alright. Oh, I got a new... I might move back. I'm really considering it. It would be a pretty good deal. It's not bad here. Just got new flooring in here. Everything's nice. The kitchen's kind of small, but this is the exact same amount of counter space I have at the other place that I'm living at. There's a lot of stuff right now, but don't worry. It's nice. It's roomy. It has plenty for your entertainment desires. Except it's in Pontiac. This is how we propped open the door. These are only like under $10. Eat them. Carb up. Bye. Oh. Trucks. Another UFO. Extraterrestrials. Aliens. This is a viral video. It's just an airplane. Aliens are invisible. They're smarter than us. Hello.
Is this here? Why is this kid in the...
He's nice.
So funny, and then he started singing the song.
Did it work good then?
Yep.
Yeah.
It had 4 inches to spare. Socks. Oh, I see.
Oh, they're freezing.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Don't want to see you driving down the road with it tied on your roof.
We were trying to use his trailer, but his dad, yeah.
Yeah.
You guys.
Yep. His dad. Yeah. Camera bag. Random essentials. I'm becoming a nomad. It's smiling. Bye. Woo, it's a lot brighter in here. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I wanted to show you guys the full progress of the teleprompter, but it'll have to be in the next video. I have a feeling this video is going to reach 20 minutes, and I'll be struggling to cut it down. Whatever, that's alright. Anyway, I'm going to Netflix and chill. And have some organic mango. Mango. Stay motivated. Bye. Oh my god, this is unbelievably dizzy. Dizzyfying. Is that a word? I don't know. I'm too dizzy. Can't comprehend things. See ya.